That me a search for too. Me want a girl before me make me ball. Nah, man. Nah, brother. Natural fuck, man.
So way more you would fuck you.
A girl never fuck yet. A girl never fuck yet.
Girl, give me box.
A girl never fuck yet.
Bro, God say a girl give back shot. The man say a girl give back shot, dog.
No, brother. Yes, brother, but me not making fuck with me a fuck shit.
I mean this girl fuck me all the way.
No, brother.
Yeah, man.
But she use bamboo stick, dog. Dog, so you mean it all the while. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another reaction video. Now this one is to damn, it starts snowing even more. It is currently snowing outside, guys. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I showed you guys earlier in my update video. I'm not sure if you're seeing it through the window or whatever, but it is snowing hard. Anyways, we're gonna react to this. We're just gonna watch this video and see how this goes. I've never ever watched one of this dude's videos before. What's his name? BawDaCat. I always see it trending, honestly. Right? I always see this dude trending and I'm like, wow. This old man are trending, yeah. Why my camera move so shaky today? Relax now, bro, God. Yeah. But anyways, BawDaCat. Why that no scratch record? Must watch. We don't know about that one. I just want them see a trend now. I see this one trending currently, so I must watch this one. You see, my friend next to watch that one, yeah? So I must watch that one, yeah? Let's go through.
Cat, my name, brother.
I'm on the lunch break.
I want like me a list, though. That's me say, brother. That's all.
Man, they're on site, what, dog?
Then, me know as a little man. Look how much girl there in the road and you want to film me.
The girl never left there yet on your ball. Girl ever fuck you yet on your ball?
No.
You need some experience.
But where is the argument? We hear about something like that. When I say girl, if in your ball, that never happened to me yet. That never, well, think about it, dog. Which man of them real state of mind, brother? Which man of them real state of mind? I go ball. Why that's not so much, my youth? Do you know? Like, watch it. Which girl of them real, which man of them real state of mind, right? Which man of them real state of mind? I go ball. During the no match the works, during the work. Which man I go ball? Which pumps can so good? Got you, what?
Just fuck, not just not. Hey. You never fuck girl yet on him ball?
Yes.
Alright.
Of course.
Here, that's out here quick. So no girl not there to fuck your heart then to make your ball.
What is brother head up on that? I'm there, bro. Yeah. We must girl make them ball. Yeah. We must them make them ball, yeah. But oh, what she gonna do so? To make me ball, like. Unless you tie me up on a beat. Hold on, I'm not talking about them someday. Got you.
That me a search for too. Me want a girl before me make me ball, brother. Nah, man. Nah, brother. Natural fuck, man.
So way more you would fuck you.
A girl never fuck you yet. A girl never fuck you yet.
Girl, give me box.
A girl never fuck you yet.
Bro, God say a girl give back shot. The man say a girl give back shot, dog.
I got never fuck you yet. I got never fuck you yet.
Yeah.
I got never fuck you yet.
No, brother. Yes, brother, but me not making fuck with me a fuck shit.
What do you mean this girl fuck me all the way?
No, brother.
Yeah, man.
What she use bamboo stick, dog? Dog, so you mean it all the while? No! Food there so cool. Yo, you know me, all this I go mash that another. It's come like a heist. It's come like a heist. I say, you fuck me all the time.
I don't get the one to make me ball out. I want something to make me ball out. Lord. Blood clot, madman. Every day we have fuck girl make girl ball. You know what a girl for fuck girl?
No, brother.
That mean the girl ain't not fuck good then. That mean the girl ain't not fuck good. No, that girl ain't not fuck good then. Yeah, girl ain't not fuck good then, brother. You know, get no girl to fuck you make your ball.
You know what position girl put on?
Fuck not just nice, brother. And the girl fuck you good. Yeah, man. I don't know a fuck ball, man. I'm not blood clot, yeah. I'm a young man. I don't know a fuck ball, man.
Fuck ball?
Hey, I don't know a fuck ball. I don't know a fuck ball.
Make some blood clot.
You never get that experience.
You fuck girl ball.
Hey. Not even squeal, you know, squeal.
I don't even go through that.
Tight hole. Hey, you know, get no good hole, man. Yeah. You can't be a swamp you're dropping, man. Then if girl fuck you, no must you hold him a ride. We not go the other way, brother.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Way, man.
You clean up the argument now.
Cool, man. You tell me that, man.
Yeah. You clean up the argument now because he might say, but that's still not gonna make my ball, bro, God. What you talk about? That's still not gonna make my ball, dog.
Me all the while in my bed. Now what do you, man? Yeah.
Me know I'm not to say about your thing, but as you say,
Y'all come fuck me all the while, brother. You know, just lie down and your girl fuck you, man.
No.
What you mean, no? What you mean, no? What make? What make? What make?
I'll be on the sheet and fucking make your ball and then something that will on the bone.
Oh, yo, hold on. Read this. I understand his argument. Don't get me wrong, you know. I understand his argument. Like, he's basically saying if a girl ever, like, ride you see me, I say, like, she in charge. You see me, I say, but them I take it, let's say the one that say, I gotta use a bamboo stick or pull something up. You see me, I say, so the man look for it. That's the one that laugh so that I get free. This is the man argument, dog. Still funny about that.
I go for one little parable. I go for one little miracle, man. I can't deal with them, man. I'm gonna give me some more tell me about, bro. Nah, deal like or not.
I never find no good girl.
I find when me sense how me attack.
Exactly that.
When me ask Abby if girl ever fuck him and he said no.
Then all alone you say no.
Yeah, but girl no
Then
fuck
me
me,
no see
brother.
it, me I look for when I understand.
So we have a fight.
How you mean?
So them the girl they have fuck a man making ball.
What make? What wrong with it?
Me ask you a question.
Yeah, you know I go the other way, brother.
Yeah, that. Them man go the other way, dog.
You man just like you wine girl and make girl ball, man. You want to think about, you want to think say.
Yeah.
You know I turn the thing in our gimmicks, bro. No, we not get the experience. I to say we want a girl we can do that. Where them a grow on corner and a grow on some little laughing stock like you know turn people thinking a laughing stock. Hey, you don't understand what man I talk about, man.
Yeah.
You no can't talk with me and I talk like a gimmick.
You know, I forgot watch the rest of the video for a different time in the people. You see me I say? But until them time the people, go and subscribe to the channel. You see me I say like the video. I don't know if you want to watch more. My name BawDaCat. Trust me, my first time I watch your brother. I'm just sitting down here training right now. I'm saying, no, need to put a video out there for the people. You see me? Because I daily uploads over here. So we'll try to reach 10,000 subscribers, people. You see me? I say, so smash the subscribe button, the like button. And let's go for the video. You dig?